Hello students, now we are going to start worksheet 6 of chapter 2. Okay, so first they have given correct the following statement. So before starting that, we will just see what is the topic. So this is rationals between two rational numbers. Means here they have given us two rational numbers. So we have to find which are the rational numbers in between. Okay, so if you come on page number 45, you can see if x and y are two rational numbers, then x plus y means adding these rational numbers x plus y divided by 2. Why 2? Because they are two numbers, that is why divided by 2 is a rational number between them. Means when we have to find any rational number between x and y, we use this formula and we get the rational number in between these two numbers. Okay, so if we see, we have to find 1 upon 2 and minus 1 upon 2. We have to find three rational numbers between them, between these two numbers. So we just what did we added like this, x plus y they have given, we added this. See, they added this. So after addition you got 0 and it divided by 2. So answer we get 0. Likewise second, third. So it is like between any two rational numbers. Any two rational numbers, if we take, there are infinitely many rational numbers. Okay, so if I take 1 upon 2 and minus 1 upon 2, I won't get only one rational number in between them. I get infinitely many rational numbers. Here already we have found, see, they have found 0, 1 upon 4, minus 1 upon 4 in between these two. So between two rational numbers, there are infinitely many rational numbers. Got it? So we will start worksheet 6. Correct the following statements. Between two rational numbers, we can find only one rational number. It's false. Okay. What is the answer? False. Correct answer is between two rational numbers, we can find infinite rational numbers. We did here, na, infinite. So we find infinitely many rational numbers. Okay, so between two rational numbers we can find infinitely many rational numbers. Remove this, only one, right? Infinitely many rational numbers. Okay, next question. Between two rational numbers, we can find as many integers as we like. No, what are integers? 1, 2, 3, 4, yeah, minus 1, minus 2. So if I want to find between minus 1 and minus 2, I have to find. So there are rational number, many rational numbers between them. But between minus 1 and minus 2, there is no integer. Got it? We can find rational numbers but no integers. So this is also what? False. This is false. Okay, so what is the answer? Between two rational numbers, we can find as many rational numbers. We can find as many rational numbers. Remove these integers as we like. Okay, next, third one. Between two integers, we can find as many integers as we like. No. Between two integers, see, between two integers, this is one integer, this is two integer, we can find as many rational numbers as we like. Between two integers, we cannot find one more integer in between minus 1 and minus 2. If we take minus 1 and minus 3, we will get minus 2. But in minus 1 and minus 2, we won't get one more integer in between. We will get rational numbers, because see what we will do, minus 1 plus minus 2 divided by 2. So what we get? Minus plus minus. So minus 1 minus 2 upon 2. So we get minus 3 upon 2. So 3 upon 2 is a rational number. So between two integers, we can find as many rational numbers, okay, as we like. So here the answer is false. Okay, so we have completed question number 1 of worksheet 6. Okay students, now we will start question number 2 of worksheet 6. Find a rational number between these numbers. Okay, so we have to find rational number between now 2 and 4. Okay, so let's start. So this is the question we have to. Now before that, we have seen the formula. What is the formula? X plus y. This is one rational number, this is another. So we will add that and divide by 2. Okay, same we are going to use. 2 and 4. Okay, so what we will do, 2 and 2 plus 4, okay, divide by 2. Got it? X plus y. What was the formula? X plus y divided by 2, right? So 2 plus 4 divided by 2. So what we get? 6 upon 2. So it is 3. Got it? Now we will do the next sum, minus 2 and minus 6. So again x plus y plus 2 we will do. So what is our x? Minus 2. So minus 2 plus y, that is minus 6, divided by 2. Okay, so now here minus 2 as it is, plus minus minus, and 6 comes like this, divided by 2. Minus minus plus, same signs. So 6 plus 2 is 8 upon 2. Who is bigger? 6. What is the sign of 6? Minus. Got it? Minus 8 upon 2. So further we reduce, 2 ones are, 2 fours are, so we get minus 4. So minus 4 is between minus 2 and minus 6. Got it? Now 2.3 we will see, 1 upon 4 and minus 3 upon 4. Okay, so again we will add this, 1 upon 4 plus minus 3 upon 4. Now this divide by, what we were doing, this divide by, we can write it like this also, divide by 2. Okay, now again addition in between. So we have required same denominators, so we already have same denominators. We will write it as common, and what we got, 1 plus minus 3, okay, divide by 2. So 1 plus minus minus, so 1 minus 3 upon 4, divide by 2. So what I got, 1 minus 3 minus 1 is 2, 3 is bigger, sign of 3 is minus, minus 2 upon 4, divide by 2. Got it? So 2 ones are, 2 twos are 4. So I got minus 1 upon 2, divide by 2. Okay, now we will remove this division. So what will become? Multiplication. Division will become multiplication, and 2 will reciprocate. So it will be 1 upon 2. Okay, so 1 into 1 is 1, minus plus minus. 2 twos are, here multiplication is there, so we are not going to equalize the denominator, we will directly multiply. 2 twos are is 4. So what I got? Minus 1 upon 4. Okay. Next question, 2.4. Minus 2 upon 3 and minus 7 upon 3. Okay. So we will add minus 2 upon 3 plus minus 7 upon 3, the whole, okay, divide by 2. So again we have same denominators, we will write it in common. So in the numerator what we got? Minus 2, then plus, then minus 7, divide by 2. Now minus 2 as it is I wrote, plus minus minus 7, okay, divide by 2. Now minus minus plus, 7 plus 2 is 9. Who is bigger? 7. 7 sign is minus. So minus 9. Okay, divide by 2. We can reduce this. 3 ones are, 3 threes are 9. So we got minus 3 divided by 2. These upon ones we don't write, then it is okay. Okay, minus 3 as it is I wrote, division will become multiplication, and 2 will reciprocate. So it will become 1 upon 2. So there is nothing to reduce. So 3 into 1 is 3, minus plus minus, and 1 into 2 is 2, minus 3 upon 2. Okay, so we have completed question number 2 of worksheet 6.